given problem is find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curves x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3, where a is a parameter. You see friends, given family of curve is containing x and y terms. Okay, nothing but it is in Cartesian form. Whenever the given curve family of curves like f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0, where c is a parameter. Here in the problem they are given a is a parameter, right? This one we have to differentiate with respect to x and we have to eliminate the parameter. Then we will get the differential equation of the one. It is in the form of f of x comma y comma dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have to find out orthogonal trajectory of the family. For that friends, you see, actually the slope is nothing but what? M is equal to dy by dx. Actually this is tan theta, you can say, right? But we need to find out orthogonal. When you can say the two curves are perpendicular or orthogonal, means one curve should be cuts another curve with 90 degrees. In this case, if m1 is one curve and m2 is another curve, then the product of these two curves will be what? Minus 1. Okay. Now if you consider one m is equal to dy by dx, then dy by dx into m2 is equal to minus 1, then m2 is equal to, we will have minus dx by dy. So to get the orthogonal trajectory, we are replacing just dy by dx by minus dx by dy. That's it. So this will be again a differential equation of orthogonal trajectory, right? You simplify, then you will have f of x comma y comma c1 is equal to 0 be a required orthogonal trajectory of the given family of curve f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0. That's it. Okay. Now you see, first what they are given, the curve x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3 is considered as equation number 1. Now differentiate this equation 1 with respect to x. That's it. Then you will have 2 by 3 into x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 means minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into y to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 means minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to, a is a constant. So constant derivative is 0. Now is a is eliminated? Yes, a is eliminated, and you can also write this one as x to the power of minus 1 by 3 plus y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dy by dx is equal to 0. You see, this is in the form of f of x comma y comma dy by dx equal 0. Given equation is f of x comma y comma c is equal 0, where c is a parameter, but in the problem a is a parameter. So what we have to do now to get the orthogonal trajectory? What we have to get? Orthogonal trajectory. For that we have to replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. This one only we have to write. Sometimes without writing this one also some people will solve. If you are solved, then what you will getting again same problem or not? So now you say replace this one. Then minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3, sorry, x to the power of minus 1 by 3 y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into minus dxy by minus dx by dy. Now minus I have written outside, then you will have x to the power of minus 1 by 3 minus y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dx by dy. Friends, you see, now this is the first order, first degree differential equation. So you can apply different methods. Yes or no? Now first method we have variable separable method. If it is not possible, then you can go for any other method, right? Now here you have y to the power of 1 by 3 and here x to the power of 1 by 3. While doing the variable separable method, dx dy should be in the numerator. So take a dy in the numerator, then you will have x to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dy minus y to the power of minus 1 by 3 into dx is equal to 0. But in the variable separable method, dy quotient should be y term, dx quotient should be x term. So this x power 1 by 3 if you take in right side, then you will have x to the power of plus 1 by 3. And this one if you take in left side, then you will have x to the power of 1 by 3 plus. So x to the power of 1 by 3 dy minus x to the power of minus 1 by 3 dx is equal to 0. Friends, right side is 0 is there. That is why this LCM also will goes to 0 only. Right. Now dy quotient is y term, dx quotient is x term. So you can integrate on both sides. Then you will have y to the power of 1 by 3 dy integration minus integral of x to the power of, this is plus friends. If you are taken right side, then you will have plus x to the power of 1 by 3 dx is equal to 0. So integral 0. Right. Now y to the power of 1 by 3 integration 1 by 3 plus 1 nothing but 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to Okay, let it be, sorry, minus x to the power of 4 by 3 divided by 4 by 3 is equal to c. Okay, now integral c, this 4 by 3 you can take right side, then you will have y to the power of 4 by 3 minus x to the power of 4 by 3 is equal to c1. c1, where c1 is equal to 4 by 3c. So friends, this is called orthogonal trajectory of the given family of curve x power 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to a to the power of 2 by 3. Is it clear for everyone? Right, thank you for watching this video.